Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Brix. So for today's video is going to be a vlog, and today time check, it's already 9:32. So ayan, kakatapos lang namin mag marathon, parang preparation marathon, and 6 minutes copper run modified, parang 6 minutes. And also ngayon nandito kami ngayon sa volleyball court kasi naglalaro kami ng volleyball with my classmate. So ayun lang siya siguro. It's going to be a long vlog today kasi yun, isi-share ko lang kasi nagkataon na meron akong time na makapag-vlog. And by the way, substitute ako sa aming team and I have with my guys. Welcome to my vlog! So ayan, with my classmates. So ayan. So referees, Cherry, na si Beb, si Cherry, everything, and na yung mga tambay dito guys.
Landlord! Mahal ko yung art.
Hi guys.
Landlady.
So yun, vlog. So maye. Substitute siya dere. So yun. So among ko andere o refere. Hi dang. So yun. I will show you some clips na naglalaro sila. So yun, pakita ko na sa inyo. So ito na. Ano mo ni Dola?
Go Pansit! Go Pansit Canton!
To amiga no kay wala gipaninit diri sa jogging.
Wala di ay? Wala.
Unya, itenat to ka buok karon. Gapa ka to amiga oh.
Hello, vlog takeover! Kaya po ang tag-iya naglaog volleyball. Can you see the court at my back? Ooh. And the owner of the vlog is now serving. Okay, let's do the vlog. Here they are playing. That's my classmates over there. Okay, the ball is already in the team. What team are they? Team Dudut. And Dudut is now serving. Okay. Okay. That's Mark Marvin Calamares serving. Okay, pass to Tino is now serving. Oh, that's Brixie, number 7. Brixie? Gino again. Oh, that was so funny. Okay, coaching 101. And that's Valenciano, the son of
Manex. Nice udang. Oh, Manex the second. You know Manex. Manex ang hatan. Katriona sa Katriona. Ito mga tubang. Oh, talikod. Bayan siya na.
Line ball lagi, nasa line ball.
In or in? Hoy, nasa video, in lagi.
Sige na lang.
Lagi, according to my report, referee will be the, ano?
Ban man jump. Let's go, ban.
Ay, wala kang score. Ikaw.
Kaya magkuhan.
Go, Vanessa! Digit tulong sa si Van.
Ban, dito may parapin mo naman. Shoo. Ayab, amuan na lang sing na lagi mo. Walay lang yo. Patay ka diyan.
Hadlong sa kubo.
Manex Sporty.
Manex is now serving. Serving.
Makawala gana, wey. Makawala gana.
That's okay. Okay, sa dance ra gyud ka. Dance. Gago. Do you know him? That's the owner of the vlog. Go Brixie. Okay, the score now is 24-18 in favor of Team Pansit. Eh? Go, Bixie. Okay. Oh, that was so funny.
So ayan guys, pasensya hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo kanina sa aking vlog. And ngayon, just got home. Kakarating ko lang ng bahay and time check. It's already 12:05 in the afternoon. And meron pa akong klase mamayang 3. So dito ko na-end yung video ko. So, ang video lang ito is volleyball yun. Ganap lang kanina. And so yun, salamat sa nag-take over ng aking video si Giselle. And so yun, dito ko na-end yung aking video and thank you so much sa panonood ng aking video. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated whenever I upload a video. And i-follow mo na rin ako sa aking mga social media accounts na aking ilalagay sa description box. And so yun, i-follow nyo rin ako sa aking TikTok. So yun lang guys, sana na-enjoy kayo sa aking video. And ayan, mukhang bumalik na ang aking momentum sa pagbablog. So, watch out kasi siguro mag-upload na ako ng mga videos. Hindi man consistent pero siguro tuloy-tuloy na yung aking pag-upload ng video and I think marami-rami na sa isang buwan. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Brix Tiguman. Bye!